Okay. Don't go too far. I'm just going down the hill. Okay. Stop. Here I go. I'm scared. I don't want to do it. Okay, just come on. Go. Oh, I'm going to try this stuff. That's yummy. Let's go on in it. Here, come. This is cool. We're almost there. I thought they're going to be very, very close. Where are they? I checked everywhere. Sitka, I don't know, but we gotta go look for them. Sitka, okay? Okay. Okay. Winter? Yes? Can I please go find the fools because I don't know where they are. Okay, coming. Woo!
See, I'm just watching and enjoying what you're doing, my little fellow.
I've been running all this time. I'd better go check in the mountain over cave. Girls, there you are. What are you supposed to be doing? Why are you doing that? Mama's very worried of you too. Mischief? Don't do it. Chocolate? Don't do it. Ever again. Mom is very worried. Okay. We're going to go back. I'm coming. Yeah. Let's do the rescue. Let's do the rescue. Now, do you want to play hide and seek, little princess? Come on now. Winter. You want to play, Winter? Winter? No, I don't. Okay? Okay, come on down now. Okay. Woo-hoo! Can hide around here, okay? In the cave, but only enough cave, okay? Okay, I'm gonna count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Is she in this cave? Oh yeah, I told her not to do it. Come on. If she can't be in one of these caves, she's over there. Take another cave. Oh no. Yes? There you are. Oh, you found me. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Here, come.